You can earn as much as $3,000 every month, depending on how much time you put into this work. So if you're a student, this video is specially for you. And if you're not a student, you can still do these jobs to earn money. Look at how much this student earns per hour. $10. And this second student here earns $15 per hour. This third student earns $20 per hour. Let's say you're a student, you don't want to work for long hours because you do not want to interfere with your studies. So you work for 2 hours per day and you work for 5 days a week times a month. That will be 20 days. Now, I want us to do a rough calculation of how much these 3 students earn per month. Let's go to the first student. All right, so the student earns per day, per hour, $10, and per day that will be $20. All right, so $20 times 20 days. The student works 20 days per week. That is $400 per month. All right, for the first student who earns $10 per hour. Now, the second student earns $15 per hour times 2 hours a day. That is times 2 hours a day. That is $30 times 20 days. That is $60 per month. Now, the third student earns $20 per hour times 2 hours a day, which is $40 per day times 20 days for a month. That is $800. All the students are students in Africa and they are doing different online jobs to earn this money. And you know, when you're a student, you don't have enough of time because you want to make sure you study. You don't want your side hustle to interfere with your studies. Imagine if you're not a student and you want to take these jobs that these students are actually taking as side hustle, as a full-time job, how much you would be earning from the online space. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 high-paying online jobs that are suitable for students and will not interfere with your studies. You can earn as much as $3,000 every month, depending on how much time you put into this work. So if you're a student, this video is specially for you. And if you're not a student, you can still do these jobs to earn money. And do not worry, because I know the question you want to ask me now is, do you need skill? Do you need experience? And do you need a certification to be able to carry out these online jobs? No. If you have a smartphone and internet connection, then you are already halfway there. And by the end of this video, you are ready to start earning this $3,000 every month as a student if you follow this step-by-step procedure I'm going to show you today and implement it in any of the online jobs that you decide to take. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is she? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can earn money online and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, make sure you click on the like button, you subscribe, you comment, you turn on your notification bell, because we upload videos every day on different ways you can earn money from the online space, and you want to be the first to be informed when we drop a new content. So this video is going to be in 2 ways. The first way, we're going to talk about the 5 high-paying side hustles that are suitable for students. And the second, I'm going to tell you step by step how you can actually set yourself up to be able to earn this $3,000 from whatsoever high-paying side hustle you select as a student. And even if you're not a student, imagine if students can earn this kind of money every month, how much you can earn if you take these side hustles as a full-time job. The first side hustle we're going to talk about today is freelance writing. So if you're a student and you're good in writing, there are several websites that you can actually join today and start earning as a freelance writer. We have platforms like Upwork, we have a Fiverr that you can queue into today and become a freelance writer. As a freelance writer, you can earn between $15 to $30 and R. With a strong writing skills and background, students can actually write blog posts, articles, website, blogs, and a lot more for clients. The second online job that is suitable for students and will not interfere in your studies is graphic designing. I know a lot of you will be like, oh, I know nothing about graphic designing. This is not what I can do. Canva has made it very easy for you. If you have zero experience in graphic designing, just pop up to Canva. You can use the free version to create and design a lot of things to sell out there. Now, to be able to earn money from this, you can also go to platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, and you express your designing talents right there, and you will get clients that will queue into that. Now, if you want to know more on how you can become a graphic designer using Canva, let me know on the comment section, and I'm going to do a clear video on how you can begin doing that. So, if you're creative or you have a creative mind, then you are already halfway there with your smartphone and with your internet connection, because I know that is one thing you're wondering. You need a laptop to get on with this. No, if you have your smartphone and your internet connection and you have a creative mind, Canva will make work very easy for you to design whatever you so want. Students with creative skills in design can create logos, brochures, social media graphics, and other virtual content for businesses. So if you're interested in this, in graphic designer, you have a creative mind, then queue into this and start earning money for yourself. The third high-paying online job that is suitable for students is web development. Hold on, don't scroll out. Don't say you're going to skip to the fourth. Those with coding and design skills can actually build website, web applications, and other platforms for clients. But if you do not have any experience in this, you have no skills about web designing, don't worry. Canva also has made it very easy for you. In fact, Canva has simplified this for you. Canva has actually launched a new update that has made coding very simplified for students or for those who have zero experience in coding. Now watch this video. So, if you're interested in web development and you have no experience in coding and in designing, do not worry. Like I said, Canva has made it very easy for you. I said earlier that you can either use the free version of Canva or the paid version. If you want to learn coding or you want to be a web designer, then you must have to use the paid version of Canva to be able to code and do other things using Canva. But it is not expensive. If you really want to be a web designer and you want to take this as a side hustle or a full-time job, then getting the pro version of Canva will be good for you, because it's going to simplify work for you. All you need to do is to type in a prompt and wait for a minute, just like you watch the video, and your coding will be done for you. All right, so take your time, go through this, see how much web designers or web developers earn per month. You can actually earn over $5,000 as a student being a web designer. So take your time, go through all these different ways you can actually earn money from the online space as a student. Select that which best suits you so you can earn with ease. The fourth side hustle that is suitable for students and will not interfere with your studies is to become a digital marketer. Students can work as social media manager, content marketers, and SEM applicants. I mean, this is one of the side hustles I personally love, to become a digital marketer and specifically to be a social media manager. It is so flexible. You can actually manage a page, just work for 1 hour every week, but you earn a lot. The amount of money you can earn as a digital marketer is between $10 to $45 an hour. Now, when you become an experienced digital marketer, you can even charge more. And don't worry, I know you do not have the experience as a student, but you can start out with whatever interest and skill you have. And with time, as you keep managing different accounts, you would gain experience and you can charge more. If you're interested in digital marketing, let me know on the comment section. I'm going to do a proper video for how you can actually start out and start earning as a student on this amazing side hustle. The fifth high-paying side hustle that is suitable for students is online tutoring. Now, I always serve the best for the last. Well, I'm not saying it's the best among the 5 I've shared today, but I especially love it because I have so many students from my classes that have been able to earn a lot of money from the online space. So this one is special to my heart. Now, if you have a special expertise in a particular subject and you know it better than your course mates and everyone around you, then you can monetize that particular subject. What do you do? Let's take, for example, subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, and all that. Take a look at this Nigerian student right here that tutors students online and earn over $3,000 a month. Now, she tutors students in India, in China, in the Philippines, and the topic of interest for her is English. So if you're right there, you're a student and you're an expert in one of the subjects you do, you can monetize that and earn a lot of money for yourself. Now, there are other high-paying jobs that you can do online as a student, as a virtual assistant, transcriptionist, and a lot more. So let me know in the comment section which of these online jobs you're going to start out with today as a student. And if you have a problem or a question and you want me to talk on a particular topic, help you on how you're going to start out to start earning, let me also know on the comment section. Now, before we move to the second part of this video, all the side hustles I've shared with you today, you can also do them physically. Let's take, for example, if you want to become an online tutor, you can also tutor people physically. You can tutor your classmates, your course mates, you can tutor the students around you and all that. So maximize your earnings on any of these skills physically and also online. For the second part of this video, I'm going to share with you tips as a student that you can actually do to maximize your earnings using any of the side hustles. The first thing you have to do is to build a portfolio, right? As a student, you don't have a portfolio, you still want to start up the side hustle, so no one knows that you can do any of the side hustles. So what you have to do is to create a website or an online portfolio and showcase your skills and your past work potentials to your prospective clients. Now, I know your worry will be, oh, I'm just starting out, I don't have any experience, I don't have what to showcase. Do not worry. What you have to do as a beginner in any of these side hustles that you pick is that you can start creating and posting on your own page. Now, if you want to become a graphic designer, just go to Canva and design anything of your choice and you post on your social media platform or on your WhatsApp status. WhatsApp status is the highest place you can start promoting whatever you do. So make a portfolio for yourself, or you could tell anyone around you, a student, a friend, that you can do this for them. When you do that, you can now post on your website or on your social media platform. Now, the second tip that you can actually implement to maximize your earning using any of the side hustles I've shared with you today is to use online platforms. You can explore online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, freelancers to find job opportunities. So, besides joining Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancers, you can also create a theme page either on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, or any social media platform you're on. I know a lot of you will be like, Claudia, what is a theme page? Now, a theme page is a page that illustrates a particular skill that you have. Let's take, for example, I've been taking examples of a graphic designer. Now, if you're a graphic designer, you can create a page on Facebook and you put in there different designs that you're creating. This is what I was talking about for you to build a portfolio. So design them, even if you've not had a single client yet. Go to Canva, design this. You have the free version right there. You design whatever you want to design and you post right there on your theme page. With that, anyone who comes to that theme page will be interested in the kind of things you do and you can get a client from your theme page. Another tip that is going to help you maximize your earnings and for you to be able to earn this 3,000 every month from any of the side hustles I've shared with you is for you to network. This is very important. Connect with other freelancers and businesses online to find potential clients and opportunities. The next tip for you to actually earn this 3,000 every month is for you to set a rate. What you have to do is to research on industry rates and set your own price based on your experience and your skill. I said this before. When you go to these platforms that you see other freelancers there, designers there, social media managers, and they are charging $50 per hour, those ones are experienced. If you want to begin, then you want to begin smart. Make sure you break down your own price even to 50% of what they are charging. The next tip for you to earn more and earn over $3,000 a month using any of the side hustles I've told you about is to communicate effectively. Now, you have to be proud of your hustle. You have to tell everyone around you about your hustle, your new hustle. So develop a strong communication skill to effectively work with clients and manage their projects. Tell your clients the truth, because from one client you have, that same client can become your ambassador and bring other clients to you or bring other jobs to you. So make sure you communicate with your clients rightly. Tell them what you can do, what you cannot do, the time you'll be able to complete the task or the job you're having, and maybe your loopholes and your strong points, so that when you complete a task, the client you have had will be able to trust you to bring other clients to you or to be able to bring another job to you. As a student, you can earn while going to school. Do not let anyone put you on the downside saying, no, side hustling doesn't work in Africa. Now, the amount of money you earn using any of these online jobs will depend on how much you put in. There are some people that will go a month without even earning a single dollars. But there are people, when they start out the first month, they can be able to make $3,000. So everything online or making money all depends on you. Everything is in front of you. It's at a platter of gold. You don't need any experience. You don't need any certification for you to get started. As you have your smartphone and internet connection, you can get started with that. And when you start earning, you can now buy other things that you need, other equipments that you need to make work easy for you. Do not doubt yourself or do not doubt what people are earning from the online space. It is right there. Go and do your own research. This is the research I've done and I'm putting it before you. You can earn up to $3,000 and more as a student right here in Africa. Imagine the students I've talked about earning this amount of money every month. If you take this as a full-time job, how much you can earn. So if you're a student, these jobs are for you, and if you're not a student, you can still do any of these jobs. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you got value from this video and you're going to start out earning using any of these online jobs as a student, a stay-home mom, or anyone out there. Love you all so much, and until next time, keep making the money. Bye-bye.